I've spent my entire life saving money, putting it in a savings account, and I've realized it's a trap.
My money, your money, is being engineered to lose value. It's called inflation. It's the silent, hidden tax.
But the digital dollar trap we exposed in my last analysis makes it all worse. What happens if you save, and then they just turn off your account for buying something they don't like? I stopped saving money. I started securing my wealth. In this analysis, I am giving you my personal plan. Not just the technical hacks, but the psychological blueprint to master this new financial era.
Act 1. I will expose the psyop of the exchanges and the 3 traps 99% of people fall into.
Act 2. I will give you my 3 rules of psychological discipline for investing and my 6-step technical hack for self-custody that makes me my own bank. And Act 3, I will reveal the 3 fatal wallet mistakes that cost 99% of new owners everything. If you stay until the end of this analysis, I'll tell you which exchange I personally use and why. This is my plan, and it is the only way to truly own your digital wealth. For the optimizer, hidden fees and risk are the enemy, and crypto exchanges are full of both. Psychological trap number 1. The myth of easy.
Why do 99% of people leave their crypto on exchanges? Because it's easy.
The Coinbase or Binance app is clean and simple, but that's a psyop.
They design their platforms to make moving your crypto confusing, intimidating, and expensive. They want you to stay. They want you to believe they guard it better than you can. They make you feel comfortable while taking away the most important asset, control. Technical trap number 1. The exchange risk. Your crypto isn't yours.
When you buy Bitcoin on an exchange and leave it there, you are not buying Bitcoin. You are buying an IOU from that company.
Remember FTX? Remember MTGOX?
People thought they owned their crypto, but when the exchange collapsed, their money vanished forever. Remember the counterparty risk of the gold ETF, GLD? This is the same thing, but 1,000 times worse. An exchange is just a digital bank, and as we saw in the digital dollar analysis, banks can be frozen by the government at any time. If you don't hold the keys, they are not your coins. Technical trap number 2. The hidden spread. The 5% fee.
Ever notice the buy price on the simple Coinbase app is always higher than the sell price?
That is the spread. It's the hidden fee easy apps charge you. It's the same 5% hidden tax you pay when you buy physical gold.
You think you're investing, but you've already lost 2 to 5% of your capital. The optimizer does not accept this.
Technical trap number 3. The hot wallet trap.
Okay, so you're smart. You get your crypto off the exchange. Good. You move it to a hot wallet, like MetaMask or Exodus.
This is much better, but you are still dangerously exposed. A hot wallet is connected to the internet 24/7. This means it is vulnerable to hacks, malware, and phishing scams. One wrong click on a bad link, one malicious contract signature, and your entire wallet can be drained in seconds. It's like storing your gold bars in a shoebox by an open window. This is not a fortress. So, if exchanges are unsafe and hot wallets are vulnerable, where is the real solution? The solution isn't just technical, it's psychological. That's Act 2, my defense plan. To beat this trap, my plan isn't just technical, it's psychological. It's built on 3 rules of discipline. Discipline rule number 1. Invest only defense money.
My first and most important rule: the money I put into Bitcoin or crypto is not casino money. It is insurance money. It is money I already consider spent.
I never invest money I need for rent, food, or my emergency fund.
My personal rule is that my digital defense is never more than 5 to 10% of my total portfolio.
Why?
Because this rule gives me the psychological steel to handle rule number 2.
Discipline rule number 2. Master the volatility, the fear of the dip.
Let me tell you about my first major crash. I watched my portfolio get cut in half in 1 week.
My lizard brain was screaming, sell, get out. 99% of people panic sell at the bottom. This is the great filter. The psychological hack. The optimizer must reframe volatility.
A 50% crash is not a disaster. It is a clearance sale.
It is the world's strongest defense asset being put on discount.
But the only way you can have the patience to see that sale is if you followed rule number 1, defense money only.
And to execute, you need rule number 3.
Discipline rule number 3. Automate your savings, the DCA.
The optimizer does not time the market. That is a fool's game and maximum stress.
My plan is pure discipline, DCA, dollar cost averaging.
My system is simple. I buy a fixed amount on a fixed schedule.
For me, that's $100 of Bitcoin every Monday. For you, it might be $200 or $20. The specific amount doesn't matter. What matters is the discipline. You must choose an amount that is a comfortable part of your savings plan. Money you can invest consistently,
Weekly or monthly, without emotion, whether the market is up or down.
This removes emotion. It removes analysis paralysis. But where do I buy? To run my DCA, I personally use a low-fee exchange like Kraken or Coinbase Pro. This gets me the best price and avoids the spread trap.
But remember, trap number 1, I never leave my assets there.
And that brings us to the technical hack.
The technical hack. My 6-step self-custody system, Cold Wallet.
Once a month, when my DCA accumulates, I execute my Exodus hack. I move my crypto to a cold wallet. A cold wallet is a physical device, like a USB, that stores your private keys offline. It is a physical vault for your digital money. Step 1. Choose your vault, the hardware. For my personal plan, I use a Trezor. I like its open source philosophy. Other great options are Ledger or Cold Card. The brand is your choice, but the principle is cold storage. And the golden rule, buy it directly from their official website, never on Amazon.
Step 2. The setup. The sacred ritual.
When you set it up, the device will generate your 24-word seed phrase. Write these 24 words on the paper card provided. Do not take a photo. Do not save it in your email. Do not type it into your computer. Paper only. These 24 words are your money.
Step 3. The test transaction. The $10 sacrifice.
Before you move thousands, you test. Send $10 of Bitcoin from your exchange, Kraken or Coinbase, to your new cold wallet address. Wait for it to confirm. Did it arrive? Good. Now the scary part. Factory reset your cold wallet and use your 24 words to recover the wallet. Is your $10 still there? If yes, you have validated your backup blueprint.
Step 4. The main transfer. The Exodus.
Now you are ready. Move 95% of your crypto assets from the exchange to your cold wallet.
You will pay a fee, but it's the price of freedom. Step 5. Burn the bridges. Optional.
I do this. Unlink my bank account from the exchange. Delete the app. This removes the temptation to trade impulsively.
Step 6. Secure the seed phrase. This is the final step. I use redundancy. One copy in a fireproof safe at home, another in a bank's safe deposit box, ironically. Your seed phrase is now your most important asset. You've completed the hack. You are your own bank. But do not leave, because I am about to reveal the 3 fatal mistakes that can make all this work worthless.
By the way, this 6-step system is my personal hack. To make it easier, I've created a free 1-page PDF guide with this exact checklist. It's called the Crypto Self-Custody Checklist. It is 100% free.
The link to download my personal checklist is in the description and the pinned comment. Act 3. The 3 fatal wallet mistakes. Your discipline got you here. Don't ruin it with laziness.
99% of people who get this far fail at one of these 3 fatal mistakes.
Mistake number 1. The digital seed phrase error.
It's tempting. You take a photo of your 24 words, you save it in a text file on your computer or in the cloud.
Do not. If your computer is hacked or your Google Drive is compromised, your 24 words are stolen and your wallet will be emptied. Keep it 100% offline. Mistake number 2. The blind signing error.
You use your cold wallet to interact with DeFi or NFTs. A pop-up asks you to sign a contract.
Warning, urgent. If you blind sign a malicious contract, you are giving a hacker permission to drain your funds. Always read what you are signing. Mistake number 3. The test address error. You're about to move $50,000. You copy your wallet address, you paste, you send. But you didn't notice that Clipper malware on your computer changed the address in your clipboard at the last second. Your money is now gone. Forever. My rule. Always send a $10 test transaction first. Always double-check the first 4 and last 4 characters of the address.
Let's review my plan. Most people don't own their crypto. They just have an IOU on an exchange, exposing them to collapse in censorship.
My hack is the psychology of discipline, rules 1 through 3, combined with the 6-step technical hack for self-custody. And I avoid the 3 fatal errors. Don't forget to download my crypto self-custody checklist from the link in the description. Subscribe to Digital Dollar Wallet, because now that we've secured our analog defense in gold and our digital defense in crypto,
our next analysis will tackle a topic you've asked about.
the Roth IRA hack. Specifically, the backdoor Roth that the 1% uses to invest thousands of extra dollars tax-free.
I'll see you in the next analysis.